So hello guys, welcome back to another PC News video, and in this video I'm going to show you on how to restore the old context menu in Windows 11. So as you may know that Windows 11 has a new context menu. So if I'm going to right click on a file or anywhere, it will present to you the new context menu. So you have the cut, the paste, the rename, and then put it in the recycle bin or delete. So it is nice looking since it is in theme with Windows 11's modern design. But of course, if you're going to click show more options here, as you can see, it is more complete. So it gives you all of the commands all at once here, since it gives you all of the commands all at once. So if you want to go back to the old context menu, so without seeing the modern new context menu, so I'm just going to show you a very simple tutorial and two commands if you want to try out the old context menu by yourself. So all you have to do is to open up PowerShell or command prompt. You can insert the registry command that I'm going to provide you, so don't worry, it is in the description. Okay, so to start, I'm just going to open up my PowerShell here. And in the description, all you have to do is to copy the command. So now this is the command. I'm just going to click on paste. So all it does is that it restores the old context menu. Okay, so after putting the command here, I'm just going to press enter, and it should say the operation completed successfully. So to see the changes, as you can see, it is not reflected yet. All you have to do is to open up your task manager. So right click, task manager, and just search Explorer here, and then right click on Windows Explorer and click on restart. Okay, so after that is done, if you're going to right click on your desktop right now, as you can see, it should present to you the old context menu right away without seeing the new modern design. So I'm just going to test it out to a folder here. So right click, and as you can see, it presents the old context menu right away. So if you would prefer this, this is a way by adding a registry key in your registry. But if you want to go back or restore the modern Windows 11 context menu design, there is also a key. I am also going to add this into the description down below. So this would simply remove the key that we added earlier. So instead of reg.exe add, you would just delete this. Okay, so by deleting this, it would restore the modern Windows 11 context menu. So press enter. The operation completed successfully. So as you can see, it should reflect right away. So I'm just going to test this to a folder. I click, and as you can see, so that is it for this video. Everything is safe to use here. So all you have to do is to add this registry key, and if you don't want the old context menu, you can just delete the key right away. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching this video, and also please subscribe and like this video, and see you in the next one.